If you have a working M600 Ultimate AW6 or Active X6, the LED at the front will flash. You can select to turn this off. When it is set to flashing mode, it is colourful. Here it is set to disco mode. It is sensing that it is not in water. Eventually the robot stops and the LEDs stay red. If your M600 has stopped working, firstly check the swivel connection. If that is good and you see no LED lit up, the faulty LED board can stop your M600. Remove the front panel and unscrew the LED section. Use a shifter and loosen the nylon nut. The nut should never be too tight. Unscrew the nut by hand. Slip back the nut and the rubber grommet. Grab the cable and pull upwards. You have successfully removed the LED section. This is a faulty LED board. We often see moisture inside it. The new replacement LED modules are white. The white ones may seal better than the black ones. Here I have replaced the faulty LED board. We power up the M600 and it works. Can we open up the faulty LED board? The black material seems to be like black hot glue. Applying heat softens the black material. Heating the material allows us to remove it. Unfortunately, it seems that many of them leak. Moisture into the LED board causes permanent damage. Even swapping components has not been successful in fixing one. Is there another way to make the M600 work? Here we see water inside the LED board. A faulty LED board can cause the M600 to stop. When the board is unplugged, the M600 works again. We are using the lens of a faulty LED board. Replace the lens. This is so that there is not a hole left. Put the polystyrene foam back. Clip on the plastic connector. Now we have our dummy with no LED. This is reattached to the clear shroud. We need the old LED cable and plug to seal the robot. I have sealed the end of the wire with black hot glue. The end could tuck into this space. Or it can be placed inside the robot. If the cable is tucked inside, make sure it is secure. The cable is there just so we have a plug. The plug is there to stop water entering the socket. Here I tuck the end between the nut and the body. Replace the shroud retaining screws. The foam float is replaced. The front cover is installed. The robot works again but has no flashing LEDs. Thanks for watching.